Hey guys, Ray from Love Your RV, and today I got a little bit of a plumbing issue to discuss. A problem with my freshwater input right there, and what was happening is I was getting a leak in behind it, and what it turned out to be was this flexible hose that went from the inlet to the water lines over there. Right at the end, you can kind of see that metal collar. It had developed a leak right at that collar right there, and it was going drip 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 drip. So for a quick repair I just used some rescue tape, and that solved the problem until I could explore it further. I tried to get this part and it just didn't seem to be located anywhere that I could find it. It's kind of a strange part. It's part of the PEX system. You can see the connector there. Anyway, I tried some other things. Ended up getting a braided line here, and it worked at this end. It connected fine there. But when I tried to connect the other end of that braided line to the T here, it would just leak like crazy, so it wasn't the right mating surfaces. So I decided to just rip it all out and go with something different. And that's what I wanted to discuss. I want to get your opinion on this stuff. It's called shark bite connectors. You can see the T there, and I also used an elbow down here. And what they do is you just cut the PEX pipe. Here's the PEX tubing. Picked up a cheap little cutter. You cut it, and it just press fits. Inside the brass there's an O-ring to seal the connection, and there's also some little kind of stainless steel kind of teeth thing. That's why they call it shark bite, and that keeps it from pulling away. So it turned out to be super easy to do this repair. But online I've read things that maybe this isn't reliable over time, so I thought I'd get your opinion on it. It's in an area that I have easy access to, and I'm always in and out of here, so if a leak developed, it wouldn't be a big deal. But it sure made it easy to do that repair, versus what they had in there was this kind of plastic flare-it type fittings, they call it. That's really what's all over in my rig. So anyway, no leaks or anything. The stuff is actually pretty expensive though. It's made of brass. The little T fitting went for about 12 bucks Canadian, and the little elbow I think was about 10 bucks. But I think it's actually quite an upgrade from what was there, especially with this braided line versus this vinyl deal. Also, one nice thing about this plumbing connection is you get this little, it's just a tool to remove it, and you put it onto the pipe, and you can see this plastic sleeve here. You push against that and you can actually just easily disconnect them and connect them again. I've actually ordered myself, there's an end piece, like a stop to the plumbing. I've ordered one of those. I thought it'd be good in emergencies. If I had a leak in some pipe, I could just cut the pipe and put the stop on it until I got somewhere where I could repair it. So might be handy in the future. Anyway, let me know your opinion of that shark bite plumbing connections, and whether you've used it in your RV, or maybe your RV has it, and what your experience has been, and if you've had any problems with them. Till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Cheers, folks.